How to hard reset a Samsung phone. This tutorial shows you how to completely wipe your device and restore it back to its factory settings. First, before anything else, make sure to back up all your important data like photos, contacts, and files because a hard reset will erase everything on your phone. After that, open the Settings app on your Android device. From there, scroll down and tap on General Management. At this point, tap on Reset from the list of options. In the next step, tap on Factory Data Reset to begin the process. Following this, scroll down through the screen to review everything that will be deleted from your device. Once done, tap the Reset button at the bottom of the screen. From here, your phone will ask you to enter your PIN, password, or pattern to verify your identity. At this stage, enter your credentials to confirm and proceed. After this, a final warning screen will appear letting you know that all data will be permanently deleted. Once completed, tap Delete All to start the reset process. Finally, your phone will restart on its own and begin wiping all the data, which may take a few minutes to complete. Once the reset is done, your Samsung phone will boot up fresh as if it just came out of the box, and you can set it up from scratch. And that's it. If this guide helped you successfully hard reset your Samsung phone, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.